What does green status mean on Cash App? Now, the green status on Cash App indicates that a user has earned access to premium banking benefits by making certain monthly activity requirements. To qualify for the Cash App green status, a user or a customer must either spend at least $500 in qualifying purchases using their Cash App card or Cash App Pay, or receive $300 or more in qualifying deposits such as paycheck. Once you meet either of these two requirements each month, Cash App Green status will be activated. Now, some of the benefits for the Cash App Green status includes higher limits for the borrow feature, free overdraft coverage of up to $200 on Cash App card transactions, reimbursement of fees for in-network ATM withdrawals, and many more. So I hope this video explained it to you quite well. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.